Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer and Mobile Phone Technology. In this video, I will teach you about formatting tables in Microsoft Word. In previous video, you have learned about how to insert table, how to enter text in a table, how to change the size of a table and how to move it, how to delete cells and how to delete row and column of a table and other formatting. This is the second part of MS Word table. In this video, you will learn how you can split cells in a table, how you can merge cells in a table and how to change the border of a table and other formatting. So let's start learning formatting tables in Microsoft Word 2010. So here you can see I have inserted two simple tables in a blank document of Microsoft Word. In this table, I will explain you how you can merge cells in a table. So to merge cells, you have to select two or more cells which you want to merge. Here I am selecting these two cells. Then after selecting, you have two different methods which you can use to merge cells. First is you can use right mouse button and click it, then click on merge cells. See, you can see now these two cells are merged. So merging means making two or more cells as a single cell. Okay, then I am going to merge these two cells using layout tab. This is the second method. You have to go to layout tab, then click on merge cells. Okay, so any one you can use. So you can see these four cells we have merged and now we have only two cells. So let us enter some text in these two cells. Then here we will write boys, girls, then copy it and paste here. Then we will write number of boys and number of girls. Then again we will merge using right click option. Then write total number of students 47, here 49. We can align it in the center, then make it bold, increase the size, align to the center. Okay, now in the second table I will teach you how you can split cells. Okay, so here I will write class 8, class 9, and class 10. I will remove this column. Then I will split this cell. So to split it, you can use right click button. This is first method and click on split cells. Then in first box you can give number of columns. Second box you can give number of rows. So I want only two columns and one row. So I will click on OK. You can see our cell is splitted into two cells. So split cell option is used to make two or more cells from a single cell. Here also I will split using second method. Go to layout tab, then split cells. 2 rows, 1 column. You can increase the number according to your need. Okay. Then I will write boys, girls, then paste. Here also we need to split. Write the number of boys and girls. Then total students. Select entire table and align in the center, middle of a cell. Make it bold and increase the size. So in this table you have learned how to merge a cell, and in this you have learned how to split cells. Now I will explain how you can change the border of a table and how you can fill a color in a cell or in a table. So to give a border to a table or change a border of a table, you have to go to layout tab, go to design tab, then click on border option, then go to border and shading, then select the type of border from here. I am selecting this one. Then here are some options. If you want to give border to the outline, select the box. If you want to give border on every cell, then select all option. If you want to give border to the outline of a table, you can select grid option. So I am selecting here all, then click on OK. Now you can see border of a table is changed. So using this option you can change the border of a table. Then if you want to fill a color in a table, then click in a cell in which you want to fill a color. Then go to shading option in design tab. Then select the color which you want to give. So in this way you can give different color in the cells of a table. If you want to give a color in an entire table, then select a table from here and go to shading options in design tab, then select the color which you want to give. So in this way you can give the color to your table or cells. If you think that this video is really helpful to you and you have learned something new by watching this video, then please like my video, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon then all, so that you can get the notifications of new videos